Thank you, Yogita. So, I think she's given an overview of what the National Land Record Modernization Program consists of, what are the data flows. I think the key factor that's coming up is it is a perennial exercise, it is not a one-time exercise. You may be at the startup stage in many of the places, you may have embarked some distance in many other places, but the fact is that the beginning is just the start of an ongoing and continuous loop. Therefore, it means that whatever you do today must be designed right for continuity. And keeping that factor in mind, we thought that it would be an important opportunity for all of us to deliberate on what could be the things that could go wrong and what are the places these things go wrong in. So we thought that we look at the critical success factors that would determine the success of such initiatives, both for people who have not yet embarked, it's an opportunity to start right, but also for people who have embarked, because this is an opportunity to course correct, because in the infinite timelines that we are talking about, the usage of such systems, it's an opportune time for everyone to reflect and see how can we get back on track, how can we use the learning we've had, and lessons are not learned from good experiences alone, lessons are also learned from what went wrong. So that is why I thought that this would be a good opportunity to share with you some of the watchwords, some of the critical areas that one needs to look towards. So I think before I start, I thought that this slide is important, because what happens is, for many people, geospatial connotations are different. Many people view mapping, or the creation of maps, or the viewing of maps and creation of data, as the primary activity for geospatial technology. I would like to turn this on its head and say you need to look at it from your consumer. Everybody is servicing somebody. Now, if it is land, obviously your end landowner is your consumer. So if we look at it from what is the service you're going to provide to the end consumer, that is one part. The second is the end consumer, who's a direct consumer, is of course the landowner. But there is a whole world of applications that would come out, which would be run by different owners. Your road transport, your infrastructure, and a whole lot of other applications in power, for instance, and not only that, in other citizen-facing services. So if we look at it from that perspective, and within your ministry also, NREGA and other disbursements, loan waivers, etc. So we have so many areas where the same data would be used. And if we look at it from that perspective, then it assumes a different connotation. The second aspect is, and which is what Yogita also talked about, that we are not talking about only the spatial mapping data. We are talking about non-spatial data, which is equally critical. And therefore, you need to have the technologies that can talk to each other, and that have the proven, robust track record of having done so in the past. You obviously don't want to be the guinea pigs to start afresh. What you want to be is to create something which is possibly larger and more ambitious than has been implemented in the timelines you've assigned anywhere else, but you don't want to be the guinea pigs. And that is why I thought we'll start with, you have the users who are of course going to be working at small levels in localized areas, where you could use small PCs or handheld devices, etc. But the moment you move from there and start creating consolidated databases at whether district level, state level, or even bringing it to a national level, you need to ensure that you are designing for enterprise systems. You have to have that scale, that ability to, work on a large scale, not something which can be in small volumes. So that is the other thing. The second thing is integration. Integration is very critical, because in a world where, even a simple thing like a platform resides on operating systems, It talks to products like, office automation systems. Everywhere the versions change. Somebody has to take the responsibility